All right, this is going to be using Google search to search the ACES Connection website. To use our regular search bar on our website, we have a different tutorial for that. This is an extra tool. So you will go to whatever browser you use. This is Google Chrome, and you will type in site, and then you will type in the name of our website, the full web address, www.acesconnection.com. And then you will type in your search term. So I'm going to search for San Luis Obispo. And it's giving me every result from acesconnection.com. You'll see as I scroll down, all of these search results are from our website. And here's the community I am looking for. You can also use this feature to find blogs on different topics. So if I were to type in addiction, it's giving me only ACES Connection blogs, and it's giving me things that match my search term of addiction.